everyone, welcome to my channel Clarissa's Cuisine. Today I am going to prepare Poha. Come, let's see the ingredients. Here I have taken 3 to 4 fish of flattened rice, half grated coconut, size jaggery, you can adjust as per sweetness, 1 tablespoon of black sesame seeds and pinch of salt. Let's start the preparation. In a bowl, add grated coconut, jaggery and mix it. Then add pinch of salt and flattened rice and mix it. Add black sesame seeds and mix it. Yummy! Poha is ready. Please try this recipe and share your views in comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next video. Take care. Bye.